In this short video, I'll show you how to apply filters to a report, share it with others using a single link, and have recipients update the data directly, all in one simple flow. Let's look at an example. Let's say I'm preparing a report to get an overview of the cost of applications with high business strategic fee. While reviewing it, I noticed that some applications are missing data for their lifecycle value. To focus on the missing information, I apply a filter to the report to show only the applications without a lifecycle value. I can see that these applications are owned by Nelson and Richard, so it's easy for me to share this filtered report with them. All I need to do is copy the link and send it. They'll see exactly the same filtered view that I share with them. Now, let's look at it from Richard's perspective. When he opens the shared report, he can immediately see which of his applications are missing lifecycle values. He can then apply an additional filter to view only his application. From there, he simply clicks Edit Data to start editing directly in context without leaving the report. And that's it. With one shared report, everyone can easily review and update the data they're responsible for.